Hello, welcome to Landracefarmlgdrescue Rescue. Livestock guardian dog. Let's see, I have Romeo, Brad, Conrad. There's beautiful Alice. And there's Archie back there. That's enough! See, it's feeding time. So they're all a little bit hopped up right now. Oh, look at that drool. She knows it's feeding time. Look at that drool. Whoa, Romeo. Looking for belly rubs. Well, I'll give him some belly rubs. Oh, look at that smile. All right. Oh, we got a dove out here. Let's see how that goes. Oh. Look at him. Look at that. Oh, and there's Max right there. We got Dexter, Mr. Digger. And a beautiful morning with some mosquitoes around. Hi, Alice. Everybody, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And let's continue to support this project here. This is important. All these alpha dogs eating together. Isn't that cool? Let's keep this going here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And thanks for the continued support. Thank you. Enjoy your day.